Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we have a Kitchenaid refrigerator. The complaint is that the unit is not cooling properly. Upon inspecting, we can see that both units are cold, as well as the evaporator and condenser fan are both running. The evaporator inside has the proper frost pattern, and the condenser coils on the back are clean. Upon talking to Whirlpool, we found that this is an intermittent problem with the control board, so today we're going to go ahead and replace the main control. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair will be a drill with a 1/4-inch nut driver bit and a small flathead screwdriver. To gain access to the main control, we need to remove these 4 1/4-inch bolts right on the back. And be careful, the edges of this tend to be very sharp. Now, we will remove this plastic cover by putting in your screwdriver, pressing back on the tab, and pulling out. Now, remove all the Molex connectors attached to your board. Be careful not to break any of the plastic tabs. To release the board, press in on the side clip all the way in and pull the board out. Now to install your new board, simply slide it in the side. Push it back until it locks. Now you can go ahead and install your Molex connectors. Now we can reinstall the plastic cover. To do this, you will see there is 2 tabs on the outside. Simply line those in place and clip in. The final step will be to reinstall your back plate. Line up all your holes and make sure that the slotted end goes in the correct place. Now you can put back in your bolts. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.